Starting around 16 October 2023, Velo generally is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.81% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is very critical. Velo truly has a genuinely all-out market cap of $18,102,671, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,841,358, which truly is very critical. This generally makes Velo truly positioning at 593 in the digital money market in an essentially significant manner. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Velo cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Velo especially be truly worth in 2023, which truly is very huge. Is Velo a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, which for the most part is very critical? Will Velo cost, all things considered, outperform its record-breaking pretty high in an unpretentious manner? These generally are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in an essentially large manner. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Velo cost in every practical sense is supposed to generally cross a truly normal value level of $0.003, the normal sort of least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year ought to essentially be $0.003 in a kind of significant manner. Besides, Velo can especially arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.003, which generally is genuinely critical. Velo value estimate August 2023, the sort of normal cost of Velo could truly go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo could basically be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $0.003 with the in every way that really matters least expected cost of $0.002, or so they certainly thought. Velo value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo essentially is estimated to in every way that really matters be at around a fundamentally least worth of $0.003 in an essentially enormous manner. The Velo value worth can basically arrive at an essentially limit of $0.003, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, which certainly is genuinely huge. Velo value figure October 2023, the sort of normal cost of Velo could generally go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023, or so they for the most part thought. Velo could especially be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $0.003, with the especially least expected cost of $0.003 in an especially large manner. Velo value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the fundamentally greatest cost for Velo could especially stretch around $0.003, which sort of is very critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 for the most part is $0.003, with an extremely normal cost of $0.003 in a huge manner. Velo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the essentially greatest cost for Velo could sort of stretch around $0.003, which sort of is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 especially is $0.003, with an extremely normal cost of $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Velo especially passed value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto certainly has been for the most part diminished by 1.94% in its by and large current worth, which truly shows that Velo essentially has a kind of all-out market cap of $18,102,671, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,841,358 in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we certainly look at the by and large current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap especially is additionally down. From by and large most recent 7 days, the Velo really was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.45%, or so they generally thought. Velo truly has shown areas of strength for especially potential recently, and this could be excellent chance to truly dive right in and contribute, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo explicitly diminished by 61.745%, dispensing with an incredible by and large normal amount of $0.004 from its ongoing worth, showing how Velo value figure August 2023, the essentially normal cost of Velo could really go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023, which for the most part is genuinely critical. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a kind of good truly purchase a valuable open door for by and large fast venture, showing how Velo value conjecture October 2023, the especially normal cost of Velo could truly go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023. Which fundamentally is very critical. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 13.96%, and the cost really flowed from an in every practical sense, least beautiful normal cost of $0.003 to greatest by and large normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days, which certainly shows that besides Velo can especially arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.003 in a quite enormous manner. In most recent 4 months Velo in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, which fundamentally is very critical. Subsequently, we explicitly imagine that comparative pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period, so assuming we certainly think about the genuinely current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's. You can see that the market cap truly is likewise down, which for the most part is very critical. As per the practically the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo explicitly is expanded from 4 months, or so they by and large thought. The exchanging volume is an imperative job and its cost amazingly. The coin explicitly is up by 12.92%, with the kind of most extreme by and large normal cost of the coin in every practical sense was around $0.002, and the genuinely least certainly normal cost of truly was around $0.002 in beyond 4 months, showing that besides Velo can truly arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.003, which is very huge. Velo value gauge 2023 facts. What will in every practical sense be Velo worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge. The Velo cost essentially is estimated to by and large arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0.003, with extremely least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Does Velo especially have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, Velo sort of has an exceptional truly potential to arrive at new levels, showing how besides Velo can generally arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.003. It for the most part is gauged that Velo will increment in esteem, so Velo value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo in every practical sense is determined to basically be at around a by and large least worth of $0.003, which for the most part is